Hi, and welcome back to another Joy of Painting. Today, we're going to be painting a happy little sunset, so grab your paints and come along join me. So first, we're just going to grab some cadmium yellow, get it on the brush, and go right into the sky with it. Now, we're just going to grab some Indian yellow on the brush, and go right around that nice sunny spot we have right there. We're just going to grab some red on the brush, and just go right around all of this. So now it's time to add some happy little mountains. So grab some blue, black, and brown, and we're just gonna put that right in the sky. So anywhere you want, and just put that right in. Put in some snowy little things happening right here. Take a scoop of that paint, and let's go, how about right here? And just put in some happy little shadows. Now I think that a whole lot of trees are gonna live down here, so grab a whole lot of that mountain color on the brush and just tap them right in. Maybe some land lives right under these trees, so grab that same color and just tap sideways across it to make some land. Cool down at this, and the reflection should just come out right at you. Now we're just gonna add a happy little water line going right across here. And let's just tap around right here. And we're just gonna make some little highlights, add bushes and any happy little things you want. And now that we've got all that there, we're just gonna put a big old tree in front of it. This one's gonna be a birch tree. Start going down, push harder as you go down. And there he is. He certainly lives there now. We're just gonna go from the side over and just put some bark on this happy old tree. Put these branches wherever we think they belong. And we're just gonna tap in some happy little leaves on this tree. Now, we're looking at a finished painting, so I'd like to say happy paint and God bless. And if you would like to purchase one of my paintings or take a painting class, just check my Instagram, Isaac's Paint Sale, and you can see all the details. With that, I'd like to say goodbye.